Hi guys! So today we're going to talk about 3 super easy ways to use your oils topically, making rollers and creams and just popping a roller top right on top of some of those essential oil bottles. So we use our essential oils all the time for things like this, and I have to tell you, when I first got oils, I was really scared to use oils topically. So topically just means applying them to your skin. So when you use essential oils, when you apply them topically, they can reach every cell in your body within 20 minutes, which is amazing. So if you're doing a sleepy roller on your kids, you'll notice that they're going to start to calm down by 20 minutes and start feeling the effects of that roller and feeling the effects of that oil and giving you your desired outcome naturally. So there's only a few things that you need to know to use your oils topically to be able to use them safely on your kids and on yourself. The first one is not all oils can go directly on your skin. Some oils are considered hot oils, which simply means they absorb into your bloodstream extremely quick and they could burn your skin from doing that. So with the hot oils, you want to dilute them with a carrier oil. So carrier oils are fatty vegetable oils such as olive oil or coconut oil, jojoba oil, any kind of vegetable oil you can use to dilute or cut your essential oil. So a few of the oils that we use all the time topically are lavender and raven. So lavender is amazing for all kinds of skin support. It's also great for relaxation and sleep support. And I pretty much put this in all of my homemade creams that I make and in many of my rollers. So lavender is one of the oils that is so super gentle, you don't need to dilute it. And it'll tell you right on the bottle, if you look at the directions, it'll say topical, apply 2 to 4 drops directly to your desired area. So you can actually just put a drop or 2 of this on your kids or 2 to 4 drops on yourself and receive the benefits of the oil. Now, raven is an oil that we use for breathing and respiratory comfort in the wintertime or some seasonal relief in the spring or fall. And we apply it to our chest or the bottom of our feet when we're needing some extra breathing support. Raven is not one that you can apply directly to your skin. It's one of those hot oils that will get absorbed super quickly and can burn your skin depending on how sensitive you are. So it says it on the bottle for the directions to dilute 1 drop of raven with 1 drop of V6. So V6 is Young Living's carrier oil. You can order it right from the Young Living site, which makes it super easy. It looks like this, and it comes with this handy little dispenser, which is awesome. You can also get fractioned coconut oil off of a place like Amazon or in your local grocery store. And basically, when you dilute your oil, you're going to want to mix the essential oil with the carrier oil. So obviously, it's not that convenient to put some drops of oil in your hand and then squeeze the fractioned coconut oil in your hand and apply to your chest or your feet or wherever you're needing the support each time you need support. So for remedies that you need to use quite often for a few days in a row, or like seasonal relief remedies where you're using it like for a whole season, you're going to want to make creams or lotions or rollers out of these specific blends that you want to use to support your family. And then you'll have them on hand and they'll be ready to go, and it's super convenient, and you just have to roll them on your skin or massage them into your skin when you need them. Okay, so this is what an essential oil roller looks like. It's just this cute little glass bottle, and you fill it with your essential oils and your carrier oil. And when you need to use it, you just roll it directly onto your skin. You can also make creams, and I get these really cute amber glass jars off of Amazon. So when I make this cream, and I'm going to show you guys how I do it, it actually lasts for a really long time. Like, I'll have this one jar for months, maybe 2 to 3 months. So it's really important that I store it properly so that nothing disturbs the essential oils. So amber and glass are key when using your essential oils, and these are actually really cheap. I have them linked in Natural and Glamorous Oilers in my DIY supplies. Okay, so let's start with making rollers, which is one of my favorite things to do. I love DIYs because I love knowing exactly what is in the product that I'm using. So making essential oil rollers is so fun for me because I know I'm literally using something so pure mixed with coconut oil, and that is it. So let's start with rollers. So if you have an oil such as lavender, or one of my other favorites, Stress Away, that doesn't need to be diluted, that can just be applied right to your skin, you can actually purchase, and Young Living has a set of these for about $10. I think it's 10 of them. It equals like $1 each. Roller fitments. So these are like little rollers that you can pop on top of an essential oil bottle, and then the bottle becomes your roller. So oils like Stress Away, where you do not have to dilute them, you can actually open the bottle right up. Okay, so once you pop off the dropper, you're just gonna pop on the roller top, and it fits on every size Young Living bottle, and you're good to go to just roll wherever you need it. So Stress Away, I will roll on my wrist. Behind your ears is a really great place to roll oils because your ears have really thin skin, so it gets absorbed super quickly into your bloodstream. And then it comes with, when you get the roller fitment, it comes with a lid that will fit that fitment because your white lid won't fit anymore. And a little trick, if you want to make sure your roller top is on super tight, just put the lid on and twist down, and if you didn't snap it down all the way, then it will snap down for you at that time. Okay, so for natural remedies that involve oils that need to be diluted, or for mixtures of oils for making something, you're going to want to get yourself some cute little glass oil rollers. So there are a million options on Amazon and Etsy. Etsy has, I really like using Etsy because they have the roller bottles with the pre-made labels, so it'll say what you're using the roller for already, or you can buy the rollers off of Amazon and go over to Etsy and just buy the labels. All right, so I'm gonna make a hormonal support roller using sclerescence, and this little roller that I have is a 5 milliliter roller. Typically, when you're making a roller for adults, you can get a 10 milliliter roller, but it's really up to you which size you want to use. You're just going to have to restock sooner if you use a smaller one. So with a 5 milliliter, generally speaking, I put like 15 drops in for an adult, and with a 10 milliliter, I put 30 drops in. For all of the recipes, for the roller recipes that I have in Natural and Glamorous Oilers, there is specific how many drops to put in for each roller. So generally speaking, you want to do like 15 to 30 drops for an adult, and then fill the rest with carrier oil. So what I did was I just got a dropper bottle off of Amazon, super cheap, put some carrier oil inside of the dropper bottle so that I can make rollers super quickly and really easily just by squeezing the carrier oil right on top of the essential oils, and there's no mess. Okay, so you're just going to fill the carrier oil to the very top of your bottle. So easy. And then you're going to pop the top on and just squeeze it. And just to be sure that it is all the way on, you're going to completely put on the lid, and it'll pop that in place. And then you're going to shake it up, and you are ready to go. So that's how easy it is to make a roller, and you will seriously have your roller for 2 to 3 months, depending on how often you use it. The diluting the oil with the carrier oil in a roller bottle extends the use of your essential oils. So even if you wanted to add, like for instance, sclerescence doesn't actually need to be diluted. It's one of those oils that you can just apply topically. But when you put it in a roller bottle, it extends that essential oil and makes it last that much longer. All right, and it's so easy to make lotions and creams. This is my new favorite way to apply oils topically. This is totally the easiest hack that I found to making these lotions. because in the education groups, when you see a lotion recipe, it'll say how much coconut oil, how much essential oil, and then to put it in a bowl and blend it together. So my hack is putting it in this cup and using one blade only, and then I just put it right in there and turn it on and whip it up. Okay, so you're going to blend it for about 1 to 2 minutes until it's nice and smooth and creamy. Alright, I hope that you guys liked this video and found it helpful. Now you have 3 different ways to use your oils topically for natural remedies to support you and your family. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more tutorials, hit the subscribe button to never miss a video again. I just wanna